Used to have some trouble getting up in the morning, and I had this rude awakening alarm clock. It does the trick. This used to be my stepfather's clock, and when he passed away, I wanted to keep it going in the family, so it is my clock now. It's set to go off at 8:50. So we have about 30 seconds to wait. But this is actually the censored version of the Rude Awakening. You'll hear it when it goes off. It should sound off any second, so wait for it.